Towing capacity of over 14,000 pounds, Tesla's Cybertruck is an all-electric beast that combines rugged utility with futuristic design. The Mercedes-Benz EQS 584 is a luxury electric sedan that delivers world-class performance, technology, and comfort. With 516 horsepower, 350-mile range, and the revolutionary MBX Hyperscreen, the Ford F-150 Lightning brings electric power to America's best-selling truck, offering 563 horsepower, 300-mile range, and the innovative ProPower onboard system for powering tools and appliances. The Audi Q4 e-tron is an all-electric luxury SUV that combines cutting-edge tech with the sophistication Audi is known for. With 295 horsepower, 250-mile range, and Audi's advanced virtual cockpit, 2025 electric cars feature faster charging with 80% charge in under 30 minutes, advanced safety systems with autonomous driving features, and luxury interiors with eco-friendly materials. The future of electric cars is brighter than ever, with solid-state batteries promising longer range and faster charging, Level 4 and 5 autonomous driving becoming mainstream, and improved charging infrastructure making EVs more convenient than ever. Electric cars are not just the future, they're the present. In 2025, these vehicles are revolutionizing the automotive world with powerful performance, luxurious features, and environmental consciousness. Which electric car would you like to see on the road? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more updates on
2025 is the year electric vehicles finally hit their stride. Today, we're counting down the top